given that the function of f x is equal 1 over 2x squared e power x plus 1. So find the domain of the function. The second, find the relative asymptote if any. It means that it can be exist or it doesn't exist. So how to solve this equation? How to find this equation? So then we have the function f of x, which is equal 1 over 2x squared x plus 1. So the domain of function is what? Is where the solution or where the solution exists. Is the range where we can do the equation and there is no getting impossible. There is no getting infinite. So which number can we place in that equation and our function exists? According to this, for that there is no a number. There is a number which can cancel this equation. Also for that there is no number which can also cause this function to be impossible. It means that dominant function of f of this is equal all number which exist from minus infinity up to plus infinity. It means that it's all real number. So the first answer is about that. The dominant function x exists for that. All replacing number or solution are exist. So let's move to the second asymptote. So for B, we need to find vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and oblique asymptote. So how to find the vertical asymptote? We find the vertical asymptote in depend to the domain of function. If the domain of function is all number, there is no vertical asymptote. If the domain of function is the certain number exclude, those number which is exclude is called a vertical asymptote. According to that, vertical asymptote is not exist depend to DOM on function. So for 2, horizontal asymptote is also, we obtain the horizontal asymptote depend to the domain of boundary or minus infinity limit of x to minus infinity f of x. This is the asymptote limit x to minus infinity x squared e power x plus 1. So this is equal what? Minus infinity power 2 e power x or minus infinity plus 1. This infinity times e power minus infinity is equal to 0. This is the determinant form. So we change this determinant form to 0 over 0 infinite over infinite. This is the same to what? A limit of x to minus infinity of x squared over e power minus x plus 1. So this, when you move this, it became positive. So this is the same to what? Infinite over infinite. We replace this determinant form. So by Hospital's rule, so we find this limit of x to minus infinity of 2x over, we derive this x squared derivative over e power minus x plus 1 derivative. This is the same to what? Limit of x to minus infinite of 2x over minus e power minus x plus 1. So also when you replace it, we get also indeterminate form. So also we use also the second hospital, because when you replace minus infinity to that, we get infinity over infinity. Also indeterminate form. The second first rule, then we get limit x equal to minus infinity of 2x derivative over minus e power minus x plus 1 derivative. This is equal limit of x to minus infinity of 2 over my e power minus x plus 1. So this is equal what? This is equal 2 over e power infinite minus 1 is equal to 2 over infinite, which is equal to 0. It means that the limit is equal to 0. Hospital rule of the horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote is equal y, which is equal 0. It means that this is the horizontal asymptote. When you also don't use the minus infinity only, so also we can use the plus infinity. When you use the plus infinity, we get a limit of x tends to plus infinity of x square e power x plus 1. This is equal infinity plus times infinity. This is equal infinity. There is no another horizontal asymptote. So, because the horizontal asymptote exists, it is impossible to get oblique asymptote. Because oblique asymptote is equal y, which is equal mx plus b, where m is equal limit of x tends to plus or minus infinite f of x over x. When the horizontal asymptote has a certain number, so depending to this, there is no horizontal, there is no oblique asymptote. So oblique asymptote also does not exist. It means that the domain of function for that A domain is x is located between minus infinity up to plus infinity. So B asymptote, vertical asymptote is not exist. Oblique asymptote is not exist. Horizontal asymptote is equal y, which is equal 0. So this exists only. So thank you for watching this. If you have any problem, ask on comment.